lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College, Education Vanapati. Now we discuss about properties of chemical properties of carbonyl compounds. So that is carbonyl functional group is C double bond O. This carbonyl functional group. This carbonyl functional group oxygen is more electronegativity than the carbon atom. So what happened here? The bonded electrons generally goes to oxygen. What happened here? Oxygen have a partially negative charge, that is delta electron pair shifted to oxygen, because oxygen is the more electronegative. So delta minus here, delta plus. So what happened here? These carbonyl compounds generally undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction. We know what is a nucleophile. Nucleophile means less electron, more electron density atoms are called nucleophiles. Nucleophiles generally an addition with less electron density atoms. So in the carbonyl carbon have a less electron density. So the nucleophile generally first addition with this carbonyl compound. So these all carbonyl compounds are undergoes nucleophilic addition reactions. This nucleophilic addition reaction. So you take some nucleophilic addition reactions. That is first reaction is HCl, an addition with HCl, or a reaction with what will be reaction HCl, hydrogen cyanide. These are the carbonyl compounds an addition with hydrogen cyanide to form cyanohydrin compounds. If you take any aldehydes or ketone, that is aldehyde, C double bond O H, aldehydes, aldehyde, and addition with hydrogen cyanide, HCl. So to form here, aldehyde cyanohydrin compound is formed. Aldehyde cyanohydrin. Why? Because on ionization of hydrogen cyanide to form Hu plus and Cn minus ions. So here also say this electron pair goes to oxygen. Here negative and positive, partially negative positive charged ions are formed. That is negative, it is a positive charge. So this Cn minus is active as a here nucleophile. This nucleophile directly addition with this carbonyl carbon atom. So to form, that is H plus addition with oxygen. So that is R C O H and H here Cl. That is name is acetaldehyde cyanohydrin, or aldehyde. What will be aldehyde cyanohydrin compound. Hydrogen compound is formed. If you take another one, that is ketone. If you take the general formula of ketone is C double bond O R. It is also same, and addition with HCl. Here also to form, that is acetone, C double bond OH, here R Cl, that is ketone cyanohydrin is formed. Cyanohydrin is formed. These are common reactions. If you take any examples of this type of reactions, that is a first example. If acetaldehyde, if you take aldehyde compound, that is acetaldehyde, CH3 C double bond O H, acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. And addition with HCl. Here also acetone cyanohydrine is formed. Acetone cyanohydrine, that is CH3 OH HCl. It is acetone cyanohydrine. Sorry, acetaldehyde cyanohydrine, not acetone. Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrine. Cyanohydrine. Hydrine is formed. If you take second example, it is acetone. The first compound of ketone, that is acetone, if addition with HCl to form acetone cyanohydrine compound. They are also same. Acetone cyanohydrine, CH3 and OH and Cl. It is CH3. It is acetone cyanohydrine. Hydrine is formed. Cyanohydrine. These are addition with HCl. If you take second one, that is reaction with sodium bisulfate. Reaction with sodium bisulfate. Reaction with sodium bisulfate. Sodium bisulfate, that is NaHSO3. NaHSO3. Sodium bisulfate. They are also same. The carbonyl compounds, that is aldehydes and ketones, if addition with the sodium bisulfate to form aldehyde sodium bisulfate and ketone sodium bisulfate compounds. It is also very simple reaction. It's a common reaction, simple reaction and common reaction. If you take aldehyde compound, that is acetaldehyde. The first compound is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. That is CH3 C double bond O H. If addition with sodium bisulfate, that is NaHSO3. Here also to form acetaldehyde sodium bisulfate, CH3 OH, here H SO3 Na. It is acetaldehyde sodium bisulfate. Acetaldehyde sodium bisulfate. Bisulfate is formed. Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde bisulfate is formed. If you take ketone compound, that is acetone, here also same compound is formed, but name is different. That is second one. That is CH3 C double bond O CH3. Acetone. If reacted with sodium bisulfate, so from here also same. That is CH3 COH and CH3, where SO3 Na. It is acetone sodium bisulfate is formed. Sodium bisulfate. sodium bisulfate is formed. So if you take the mechanism of sodium by reaction with sodium bisulfate, it is a very simple mechanism. Very simple mechanism. First, an ionization of sodium bisulfate, HSO3. An ionization to form 3 ions, that is Na plus, second one is H plus, third one is SO3 minus 2 ions. These SO3 minus 2 ion act as a nucleophile. This nucleophile further and react or addition with the carbonyl group. The carbonyl group. If you take acetaldehyde, that is CH3, example of acetaldehyde. So nucleophile. What is a nucleophile here? SO3 minus 2 is a nucleophile. That is SO3 minus 2. So here also same what happened. Oxygen is a more electronegativity than the carbon. So these bonded electrons generally goes to oxygen. So what happened? These SO3 minus 2, that is a nucleophile, further react with these carbonyl carbon. Carbonyl carbon. So to form here CH3 O minus, next here hydrogen, it is SO3 minus 2. Sorry, minus SO3 minus. It is further an addition with H plus, electrophile, nucleophile and electrophile. This H plus further addition with O minus, O minus. So that is CH3 OH, then hydrogen, next SO3 minus. This SO3 minus further addition with Na plus, that is sodium ion, Na plus. Next Na plus, it is an addition with SO3 minus. So to form CH3 and OH, next SO3 Na. That is acetaldehyde sodium bisulfate compound is formed. If you take the same mechanism of acetone also. So now discuss about another reaction, that is reaction with Grignard reagent. Reaction with Grignard reagent. It is an important reaction. It is a very important reaction, reaction with Grignard reagent. We know already what is a Grignard reagent. RMGX is a Grignard reagent. Reaction with Grignard reagent, or RMGX, what may be RMGX. It is a Grignard reagent. So what happened here? The Grignard reagent, if reacted with carbonyl compounds, that is a halide. Halide first compound is formaldehyde. If Grignard reagent react with the formaldehyde to formaldehyde, and it is also undergoes hydrolysis reaction to form primary alcohols. If second compound, that is acetaldehyde, if reacted with Grignard reagent, undergoes hydrolysis to form secondary alcohol. If ketone, that is first compound of ketone is acetone. Acetone reacted with Grignard reagent and undergoes hydrolysis to form tertiary alcohols. What happened here? Primary and secondary and tertiary alcohols are prepared with the use of Grignard reagent. If you take first compound, that is formaldehyde, C double bond O H. It is first compound of acetaldehyde, formaldehyde. 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 If reacted with Grignard reagent, what all means that is alkyl methyl, magnesium, iodide or bromide, what may be iodide. So what happened here? It is a carbonyl functional group. You know already what happened here. This bonded electron goes to oxygen. So between the carbon and the magnesium bond also between the carbon and magnesium takes place. Here also this carbon have a negative charge, here positive charge. So here also carbon and carbon have a positive and negative charged atoms are formed. Positive, negative charged atoms are formed. So these methyl carbon further reaction with the carbon and carbon compound. So what happened here? That is CH3, CO, next that is hydrogen. What may be? Hydrogen. Here also hydrogen. Magnesium iodide. It is an intermediate compound. So it is further undergoes hydrolysis reaction. Hydrolysis means react with water. What happened here? Water HO2, H2O. On ionization of water molecule to form H plus and OH minus ions. So here between the oxygen and magnesium bond also takes place. So here also what happened? H plus addition with oxygen, another OH minus addition with magnesium. So what happened? That is CH3 and OH and HO2 CH2. So place hydroxy magnesium iodide is formed. Iodide it is. It is a primary alcohol. That is a ethyl alcohol is formed. Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Alcohol. That is a primary alcohol. Primary alcohol is formed. Okay. If you take another one, that is preparation of secondary alcohol. So if you take starting material, that is acetaldehyde. If acetaldehyde react with the Grignard reagent to form secondary alcohols, that is CH3, C double bond O, H, that is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde react with Grignard reagents, that is methyl magnesium iodide. Methyl magnesium iodide. Here also same. The carbonyl functional group. First two negative charged ions are formed. Here the Grignard reagent also positive negative charged ions are formed. This positive charged addition with the negative charged atom, negative charged atom addition with the positive charged carbon. So what happened here? CH3 and that is O. Here hydrogen, CH hydrogen. Next that is oxygen, magnesium iodide. Here CH3, iodide CH3. So what happened here? It is further undergoes hydrolysis reaction. Hydrolysis means react with water molecule. Same water molecule on ionization of water to form H plus and OH minus ions. So here also say that is CH3 and COH, yes CH3. Next hydroxy magnesium iodide is formed. Iodide. This secondary alcohol, that is isopropyl alcohol is formed. Isopropyl alcohol. This secondary alcohol is formed. If you take another reaction, that is ketone compound, that is acetone. If acetone react with Grignard reagent to form tertiary alcohols, it is a very simple reaction. If we take that is CH3, C double bond O, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. That is acetone. And in addition with Grignard reagent, that is methyl magnesium iodide, to form here intermediate compound, that is CH3, O, CH3, oxygen, MgI. Next here CH3, here CH3. It is further undergoes hydrolysis reaction, that is react with water molecule. So here also say that is CH3 and CH3 OH. Here place magnesium hydroxy magnesium iodide. It is iodide. It is a tertiary butyl alcohol. It is tertiary butyl alcohol is formed. Butyl alcohol. It is a tertiary alcohol. These are it is also used for preparation of alcohols, that is a primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol with use of Grignard reagent.